Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top five carry items. Number four on my list, multi-tool. Don't leave home without one, you'll regret it. But if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you don't leave home without one. This is the Dollar Tree multi-tool. Listen here, for $1 you can get one every time. If this thing breaks, I'm gonna go back and get another one. Why? Because it was $1.25. But for my $1.25, I get a corkscrew. Okay, I gotta open up some wine. Clickety, 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 turny, screwball. Okay, Phillips file. Okay, that's three. Add three right there. Add three right there. Tree right there. Knife. Scissors. Bottle opener. Can opener. You gotta be shitting me. Knife. Scissors, can opener, bottle opener, key ring. You can put it on your keys. Don't know why you would want to, whatever. I do not have a lanyard on this. I should probably put one. Y'all want to put one? Let's put one. Squidward. Don't you stop it, don't you stop the music. Okay, that's why I don't have a lanyard on there. The key ring's taking up too much space on the lanyard hole, so I can't squeeze it in there. You lucky or we would have done it. But yeah, again, came from the Dollar Tree. It's got a little jimps right here on both sides. I mean, it's $1. So yeah, little multi-tool. I was like, oh, $1, I'll throw it in the pack. It's whatever. But yeah, top 5 carry item. Number 4, multi-tool. Where would it rank on your list? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.